Hello viewers, welcome back to SHECARS India Auto Insider. The fast-selling Creta E variant has got some changes and they have started to arrive at the dealerships now. We have identified 6 changes and here they are for you. The new model of Creta, which was released last year, had electrically adjustable ORVMs as a standard, starting from its base E variant to top-end model. This had encouraged a lot of buyers to go for this base variant and make the necessary upgrades to make it look like a S6 from outside. With a few chrome accessories and alloys, the top-end look was a cakewalk on this model. The 2021 model has no additional equipment. Instead, it will lose out on a few handy features. The turn indicators are now repositioned and mounted on the side fenders. This change will definitely disappoint a lot of Creta fans as this is like a demotion on its existing model. The 2020 model had the electrically adjustable mirror switches on the E variant, which was a top-notch feature, adding a lot of value to its customers. Disappointingly, we are gonna miss this on the 2021 model where these have been replaced to the manually adjustable knobs on the door side panel. This is again a major downgrade on the variant changes this year. There's a goodbye by Hyundai on the passenger seat back pockets. Moving on to the boot space, the 2020 model had the necessary boot light which was operational on opening the boot lid. I would say this was a handy feature to access this area during low light. Here too, you may have to adjust with a torch on your phone going forward if you're planning to buy a E variant. The 2020 Hyundai Creta offered a cooled glove box as standard on all variants. Even though the glove box capacity was quite limited, this was good enough to chill small beverage bottles and chocolates in it. Uh-oh, these are gone too on the new model. We are confused here too whether to call this as an upgrade or a downgrade. Now moving on to an important topic, the price change. There has been no change in the base petrol E variant price. It remains same as before, that is 9.99 lakhs. Speaking about the diesel variants, the base diesel has received a biggest price hike. New Creta E diesel now costs Rs 10.51 lakhs ex-showroom. This is an increase of 19,600 rupees. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.